Hi, good morning. I'm out here today, and it's been a couple weeks since I've been out here last. It's been really busy, but I'm back out here throwing this super swimmer on this swim jig here, and today it's very hazy, a lot of smoke in the air from all the wildfires in the state, and we're having some unprecedented windstorm. Yesterday was real windy, and it's been pretty windy this morning. They're saying it's going to be pretty windy today. Anyways, I'm going to err on the side of caution, of course, but I'm out here in a pretty small pond, so I figure I'll be relatively safe. So, I'm just going to be throwing this swim jig around. Oh yeah, okay. That's good news. That's my fault too. I think I'm working. Got one. You know what's going on here. Bring it to the boat. Nice little 2-pounder stuff today. Alright, ready to close up the spawn. I hope I got that on camera. I flipped him off right into the net. Okay, well we're going to do a combined weight today. Now the second cast, and I got like a nice little 2-pounder. He bit on the first cast, and I missed him, but sometimes that first cast, fish can be a jinx. So, I'm going to take his picture. He's just a little guy. Ooh, look at his mouth. He's been caught before. Photo. I want to document that mouth. Okay. And he's not going to weigh too much. Okay, I got 1.9 to start the day. He wasn't even count in some tournaments, but that's fine. And then still 1.9 to start the day on the second cast. What's wrong with that? It's been turn off. There you go. So it's been about 2 weeks since I've been out here, and first cast actually pretty sure that guy bit. And I missed him, so second cast, got him hooked up, and popped him off right at the net, which is pretty cool. So, anyways, second cast, got a nice little, what did I say, 1.9 or 1.10 to start the day, whatever it was. So, alright, we'll call it 1.9. Not very good. No problem. pound squirrel. No, he weighs up to a pound. Yeah, he doesn't weigh a pound. I wasn't recording on here, actually. I just got a really good one. At least I got it on my chest camera. Oh, that sucks. Alright, so it's really windy. Sorry about the wind noise. I got a good one here. I'm going to get a picture and its weight. Check that one out. That's a good one there. We'll take that all day long. Let's see how much it weighs. Scale zeroed out. Man, I really would have liked to have got that one on camera. Alright. This one weighs 311. No, I wasn't recording on here, but I did get it on my chest camera, so thank goodness for that. This is a 3 pound 11 ouncer on that swim jig. I'm gonna give him a chance to drink here. I'm going to take a couple more pictures of it. Alright. There it is. 3 pound 11 ounces. That's awesome. I'm going to let him go. Alright. There we go. So I'm at 311 and or 310 and I don't know. That's a pretty good morning. Did I lose my... Oh my god. I'm an idiot. I thought I lost my sunglasses. They're on my damn neck. 1.6. Okay, thanks, buddy. Another good one. Another big one here. Big old trout. Oh my god, this is freaking. That's all trout. Oh my god, this is a bass. Look at this trout. What a day. This has been an incredible day. Unbelievable. Incredible. This is an even better one than the last one. That's 4.2. I want to double check it. Alright, this is a nice, healthy 4.2. And there it is. Nice one. Okay. And there you go. I cannot believe this. So at the 310, I caught a 110, a 310, a 1.6, and a 4.2, not to mention a throwback. So it's 8 o'clock. It's not even 8 o'clock. It's 10 after 8. Don't shit on me, I swear to hell. Jeez, I know it's hot. Calm down. Calm down, dude. Fine. Alright, well, here's one. Probably a Oh, look at the top of his head. I got him in the top of his head. It's probably a 2-pounder. No, it's not. It's like a 110. It's like another 110. I bet. Alright. Okay. One 9. Alright. So, anyway, so that was a fun day. Let's get a combination real quick on my weight. .3 plus 10, 12.3. Alright. So I fished for 3 hours today, and I got, correct my math if I'm wrong, I've got a total of 12 pounds, 3 ounces for 5 fish, plus a small one that I don't count. So that's a pretty good day for 3 hours, I think. The whole day I was throwing this swim jig. This is a Strike King swim jig, and as I've said in a previous video, it's not my #1 go-to jig. I just have these because they were right at Sunbirds. They were easy to grab. I prefer to get B&B jigs ordered. I just didn't order them this year. I used those all year last year. They were really good. I have one from Dirty Jigs Tackle. That's a smaller profile. I have the Slimmer Swimmer on that, and I haven't been throwing that just because I need to put new line on that reel. So I'm gonna go home and do that, take care of a couple loose ends and whatnot. So anyways, that's what I've been doing today. I'm probably gonna come back out tomorrow.